Today I'm gonna try something for the first time, DIY. I'm gonna Good morning, Afro Millennial Momma here. I didn't think I was gonna do a video today, but the mood just struck me. Y'all, check out these cows outside, man. They're so gorgeous and huge. Wow. They're like buffalo. And you see the white bird flying right there? That bird always follows the cows around and the donkeys. I don't know what they eat that's like off the cow, but they must be some ecosystem type of, there's the white bird, see? So today I am gonna try something. Today I'm gonna try something for the first time, DIY. I'm gonna soak my hair. So there's a lot of dust in Senegal. And so if you see here, we're gonna see if this works. There's a lot of like residue and lint, and before I didn't have a bonnet like to protect my hair from the lint, and I never had a lint problem. Now I'm gonna try to do it to soak my hair myself. Like a blow up tub, which is perfect, and it has a little place for your neck. So what I'm gonna do, I put my yoga mat down on the ground in my room, and then the towel in case the water spilled. I got some warm water here, baking soda. I use that to brush my teeth. And then I had this, I left in the States. I had bought it to bring it here, just specifically for my hair. And then I got some lemon. Don't be fooled, this is green lemon. And so I'm gonna put all that together. Take a look at the hair. You guys are getting up close and personal. And you can see there, things like this. So usually when people have washed my hair here, it looks better because it's wet. After they first do it, it's a little damp. Yeah, see, this is not good. This is not, I've never had this problem before. But because I don't have the person who used to detox my locks. The salon I go to actually does it, but the person who was doing my hair never mentioned it to me or never did it for me. And now that she's no longer working there, the owner was like, no, we could do the bain de Locs, like a lock bath or whatever. But I'm gonna try myself because it's not time for me to go for an appointment just yet. So let's check it out. I got my salsa music on for the mood, for the Saturday vibes. It looks like it's getting even, the water's getting even browner than it was the last time I checked. I think I'm supposed to, I haven't timed myself. I think I'm supposed to do like 30 minutes or 45 minutes, something like that. I probably should have put more water, but I didn't know how much it would take to pull this. Do not dye your hair. See how this got weak right here? It's about to come off. Oh, not good. Anyway, lost a whole inch right there. Oh, my poor baby. Anyway, man, when I tell you, I mean, no knock to people who wear their hair straight or permed or pressed or whatever, but when I see that, I just think about the prison that was. Not that I was getting my hair straightened all the time, but when I was a kid, you know, and how much time that takes getting perms and presses and stuff, and not feeling like you look good enough when you don't have your hair straightened. It's like, man, oh man, the messages that you send into their subconscious about how their natural hair is just like, ouch, man. It hurts my soul, but to each his own. I mean, a lot of us went through that and were able to come out of it decent, or you know, okay. But that looks great. So I'm gonna, after this, I'm gonna shampoo it. Get anything, because I'm like sitting in dirt, I guess. But I'm gonna shampoo it and then let it air dry, because if I use a towel to dry, I could pat it a little bit, but I don't want to get lint back in my hair from the towel. And I'll be back once it's dry later on the day. I'll show you if it improved, which I'm sure obviously it has, but I'll see if I can tell the difference as far as the buildup that I had. All right, look at all this dirt that was in my hair. Woo, child. So far, like I told you, it's wet. So let me fix this. It's wet, so it's gonna appear as though most of it is gone, but I know some of it is not. But these are my problematic locks here in the back, and it looks a lot better. I know it's still built up in there and lint and stuff, but I can have the lady help me with the rest of it. At least I got a lot of dirt out. Dyeing your hair, they always say it's like risky, so it like made them get weaker. So like you see this right here, this part here, it's not as strong, so it might break. But anyway, I'm trying to hold on as long as I can, but it's just hair at the end of the day. It'll grow. Closely. There we go. All right. So definitely improvement, of course. But we'll wait till it dries to find out how much. But I think that's good. I think I didn't do too bad of a job. What do you guys think? So that's it for today's video. A regular Saturday. And yeah, just gonna enjoy the rest of the day, have some lunch, go to the beach, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all have a blessed day. Black people, we the coolest, we the baddest, we the flyest, we the realest. I love y'all. Peace.